Hi blokes, Luke here from the Lock Mob. Thought you might like to take a look at our lock testing lab. Today we have a door fitted with a Lane Deadbolt and Entrance set lock. First test we are doing is a simple lock picking test. I think we all know the answer to whether this lock can be picked open. Next we are checking the dead latching of the latch. This is important to know. If the door frame can be forced apart, the dead latch may fail. Often we do force tests to determine how much force a lock can take. As security advisors, it is our job to recommend locks and give security advice. We test locks and door hardware with different variables such as door frame thickness, door frame material, door material, and door gap. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of the advice we provide. With the database of knowledge we gather, we can give a detailed assessment on individual doors. The data we acquire is sometimes astonishing. For example, there are situations where a wooden door frame can be much stronger than a steel frame. So we will repair this broken door. We want to know if repairing a door in this way is a viable option. We also want to be able to give our customer assurance as to what force they could expect the door to now withstand. The door is glued back together with wood glue. It is left overnight for the glue to dry. These wraparound door protectors come in different widths to match the thickness of the door. Okay, we are testing this repaired door. What do you think will happen? Will it be much worse than before it was repaired? Will the door frame break? The door frame we are using is only pine, but it is about 12 millimeters thicker than a standard door frame sold in Australia. The thickness of a door frame has an impact on door security, even if it is made from pine. "441 kilograms. Do you think you can kick a door in that can take this much force? Leave a comment if you think you can deliver this much force with your body.